Hi everybody, Sandhya here. Welcome to our brain training. Today we'll be doing circle and triangle. So we've got triangle with this hand and circle with this one. Triangle and circle. Can you do them both together? Now I think I'm doing it. If you're not sure, you can get a piece of paper and see whether there's a triangle on one side and a circle on the other. And then you try it the other way round. Which one was I doing a circle? I can't remember. That was circle, I think. I think that was the opposite one. So the opposite hand doing a circle. And then triangle. Triangle. This is now with the other hand. I might be doing the same because I'm not sure which one I did on. Triangle and circle. Oh dear. Triangle and circle. No. Oh, how'd you get on? If you're not sure, get a piece of paper, draw your circle and your triangle, see if you can do them together. I've lost it now. So we've got circle and our triangle. Circle and triangle. Can you do it? If you can't, hopefully it's created some laughter, creating those feel-good hormones. What I'd love you to do is pop a comment below, let me know you got on. And then also let me know the circle and the triangle, if you've got a picture of it that you could send me of how you're doing it. So I can mark you and give you points. Hope you enjoyed this brain training. Share it with others, see how they get on. Take care, bye bye.